Listen to me carefully. If you are retired, or if you are anywhere close to hanging up your hat and stepping into retirement, your money is not just numbers on a screen. It is your freedom. It is your peace of mind. It is your security blanket. So when you put your money into a platform like Paysafe, where you are waiting on a payout or a withdrawal from a digital account, and days start ticking by without that money hitting your checking account, I know what happens inside your heart. The panic starts to set in. You ask yourself, where's my money? Did it get lost in cyberspace? Am I getting taken advantage of? I want you to take a deep breath, because today we are answering one simple, critical question. How long does Paysafe actually take to withdraw your money? Why does it take that long? And what do you need to do right now to make sure your hard-earned dollars are safe and sound? First, let us get straight to the raw facts. When you initiate a withdrawal from Paysafe, whether that is directly through a Paysafe account, a digital wallet like Skrill or Neteller, or a merchant using Paysafe processing, the typical time frame for the money to reach your personal bank account is anywhere from 1 to 5 business days. In some cases, depending on your bank and whether weekends or holidays get in the way, it can stretch up to 7 calendar days. Now, I hear you screaming at the screen right now, Susie, why on earth does it take up to 5 or 7 days in this modern, digital world when I can send a text message in half a second? That is the question, isn't it? And when you are living on a fixed income, or when you are planning your monthly budget in retirement, waiting 5 business days for your own money feels like an absolute eternity. Here's what is happening behind the scenes, and you need to understand this so you never get caught off guard. Paysafe operates under strict international financial regulations, anti-money laundering laws, and banking compliance protocols. When you click withdraw, the process does not just jump straight into your bank account. It goes through 2 distinct stages, internal processing and bank transfer clearing. Stage 1 is internal processing. Paysafe or the merchant platform has to approve the request. This usually takes anywhere from a few hours up to 24 or 48 hours. They are checking to verify your identity, check for security red flags, and confirm that the funds are clear. Stage 2 is the electronic bank transfer itself. In North America, this usually goes through the ACH automated clearinghouse system. In Canada, EFT. In Europe, SEPA or standard bank transfers. Once Paysafe releases the funds, your local bank takes another 1 to 3 business days to process and post that ACH transfer into your checking or savings account. And listen to me on this point, because this is where so many retirees get tripped up and stressed out. Business days do not include Saturdays, Sundays, or national banking holidays. If you request a withdrawal on a Thursday afternoon, day 1 of processing might not even start until Friday. Then comes Saturday and Sunday, where financial systems freeze up. Monday is day 2, Tuesday is day 3, and your money might not show up until Wednesday or Thursday of the following week. You think 5 days have passed, but in banking language, only 2 business days have passed. Now let us talk about the big fear, because I know why this worries you so much. In retirement, cash flow predictability is everything. You have bills to pay. You have real estate taxes. You have supplemental medical premiums, prescriptions, home maintenance, or simple living expenses. You cannot afford to have $500, $1,000, or $5,000 sitting in financial limbo when rent or a mortgage payment is due. So what causes unexpected delays beyond that standard 5-day window? Why do some people wait 2 weeks or find their account suddenly frozen? There are 3 major roadblocks that you must protect yourself against immediately. Roadblock number 1, unverified accounts. If you open an account and try to withdraw money before you have fully verified your identity with a government-issued ID, proof of address, and proper documentation, Paysafe will halt that withdrawal until you complete their Know Your Customer checks. They are legally required to do this. Never, ever wait until you desperately need money to complete your account verification. Roadblock number 2, name mismatch errors. This is a massive mistake people make all the time. The name on your Paysafe account must match the exact legal name on your destination bank account word for word, letter for letter. If your Paysafe account says Robert J. Smith, but your checking account is under Bob Smith or a joint account under a spouse's primary name, the system will reject or hold the transfer. Always make sure your personal details match perfectly across all platforms. Roadblock number 3, account limits and status tiers. Depending on your account level, there are daily, monthly, and annual withdrawal limits. If you try to pull out more than your account tier allows, the transaction will get flagged, delayed, or canceled until you request a limit increase or provide extra documentation. So here is your actionable takeaway list. Here is how you take control, eliminate the anxiety, and protect your financial peace of mind. Number 1. Never use digital wallets or third-party processors for emergency money or time-sensitive funds. If you know you have a tax payment or a bill due in 3 days, do not leave that money sitting in an online processor hoping it will transfer overnight. Plan at least 7 to 10 calendar days in advance for any money you intend to move into your primary checking account. Number 2. Get fully verified before you deposit or earn a single dollar. Upload your photo ID, confirm your address, link your bank account securely, and test a small withdrawal first. Know that the pipe is open and flowing before you put significant funds into the system. Number 3. Keep flawless records. Take screenshots of your withdrawal request confirmation, note the transaction ID, date, and time, and check your email for any requests from compliance or customer support. If day 6 arrives and there is no trace of your money, you will have all the documentation ready to contact support immediately. Remember, money is a tool for security.